Hey, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel, Successful Finance. Today we have another excellent money-making video for you. We'll go through how to generate money on TikTok in today's video. Despite the fact that everyone has the software on their smartphone, not everyone uses it to generate money. Today I'll go over everything you need to know about making money on TikTok, so don't skip any of the video sections. Please also hit the like button right now, share your opinion in the comments, and if you're new, make sure to enable subscription alerts. TikTok is popular right now. Although there isn't much material, those who make content are experiencing enormous views, and some people are going viral very instantly. The issue is, this happened just a few years ago with Instagram. People grew interested in this formerly reserved for teenagers app, but they incorrectly assumed that the only way to make money on Instagram was to collect a high number of followers. But now that we see Instagram as a full-fledged marketing tool for businesses that don't require a large number of followers, I see that more and more people are turning to TikTok, and they don't want to wait years to figure out the platform and how to monetize it. People want to go on TikTok as soon as possible so that they can capitalize on all of the excitement and start making money from TikTok. If this describes you and you're interested in getting on a platform early to figure out how to monetize your following, keep reading. Let's take a look at some of the most effective TikTok monetization strategies for 2022. 1. Sell your TikTok viral account. Many businesses want to be on TikTok but lack the time and resources to set up and manage an account. Why not put them on a fast road to success on TikTok? This is possible by growing and selling TikTok accounts. For a long time, people have been making and selling social network accounts. Rami Harlown, 23, earns roughly $30,000 per year from TikTok monetization. To sell TikTok accounts successfully, you must have more than simply an enticing selection of videos in your account. You'll also need a laser-like focus and a devoted following. Themed or niche accounts are easier to sell because the buyer can keep creating similar material after the acquisition to maintain followers. For example, if you sell an account with brief unboxing videos, the brand to whom you sell it may continue to upload similar videos in the future. Personal accounts are more harder to sell since followers are more likely to be drawn to the person rather than the content type. When selling TikTok accounts, you'll need to have a great content strategy, engage with your followers frequently, and explain how purchasers can attract more people to interact with their new account. 2. Work as a TikTok influencer. As the phrase goes, build it and they will come. This is also true for TikTok. If you establish an account with a dedicated and engaged following, you will be able to secure influencer collaborations with brands all over the world that want to connect with your audience. As part of an influencer marketing deal, a brand will ask you to promote their products or services in your TikTok videos. The most prevalent kinds of payment are money or free company goods. For example, one of the most prominent TikTokers, Charli D'Amelio, is an influencer for P&G, a well-known company. While some individuals feel that becoming an influencer necessitates having millions of followers, this is not the case. Many brands choose to collaborate with micro-influencers or influencer with a small number of followers. The definition of a micro-influencer varies based on who you're speaking with and the size of the market you're attempting to target, but it's often between 5,000 and 50,000 followers. If you want to be a successful influencer, you need to have a niche or a certain subject or topic for your account and post. Brands will know right immediately if you're a good fit for the items and services they want you to advertise. Market sponsored content. Monetize your TikTok account is through sponsored content. When corporations approach you or you approach them about featuring their items in your video, this is what happens. You pay them a price in exchange for your services. To begin, establish your portfolio by working with smaller brands. Contact nearby companies to see if they'd like to be featured on TikTok. It would be a good idea to start with a low cost and progressively increase it as you achieve fame as a TikTok developer. Consider joining the TikTok Creator Marketplace if you like to charge a premium and have brands come to you. TCM. TCM is a cooperation platform that connects marketers with TikTokers and lets them to launch marketing campaigns with them. You must have at least 100,000 followers, be at least 18 years old, and have at least 100,000 video likes in the last 28 days to be eligible to apply. As a result, if you're a new creator, you should focus on making innovative TikTok films that you can share with brands to obtain sponsorship. 4. Sell your goods. If you have a TikTok for Business account and are from the United States, Canada, or the United Kingdom, you may be able to add a shopping tab and products linked to your profile. The shopping tab is essentially a new feature established as a result of TikTok's cooperation with Shopify. It is designed to let TikTokers that have a Shopify store promote their products through the app. Users who click on a product link are directed to the merchant's Shopify store where they can make a purchase. Although it is not a direct way to make money on TikTok, you will still gain by generating sales for your brand. Also, if you don't have a significant number of TikTok followers, you can promote your products by creating distinctive TikTok movies. For example, if you own a food-related business, you can create 30-second recipe films and distribute them on TikTok. 5. Donation collecting. TikTok offers an innovative feature called coins. If you are eligible to live stream, you can collect these coins from your most committed and enthusiastic viewers. You can eventually swap them for money. Here's how it works. Assume your biggest fan purchased coins, which range in price from $1.39 for 100 coins to $139.99 for 1,000 coins. If you're live streaming, that user can send you coins or use them to buy you things. Then you may use PayPal to exchange coins and gifts for diamonds and diamonds for cash. The only catch is that not everyone has access to live streaming. TikTok chooses who will live stream. Thus, you must have a solid account before you can make money with TikTok. A similar function exists in the Chinese version of TikTok. During a live stream, an account owner can give a shopping cart, option to directly sell their products and services. Some expect that TikTok will ultimately get this feature, which would be yet another wonderful method to make money on TikTok. How much money can you make on TikTok? To generate money on TikTok, you don't need 20 million followers, but you do need a strong, active audience. Consider TikToker Cody Antle, whose father starred in the popular show Tiger King. Cody could make up to $27,800 each post with 28 million followers and a 0.75% interaction rate. If you are still in the micro-influencer level, your earnings will be reduced. Carlos Ayala, for example, has 112,900 followers with a 3.07% interaction rate and may earn up to $114 every post. TikTok allows you to start earning money with as few as 1,000 followers. However, you need to find sponsors ready to support your material. You can also interact with your audience in live videos, making you a fan favorite and earning you presence. The most important thing to remember is that you need outstanding material that people appreciate, and you must work hard to increase your following on a consistent basis. If you approach it with the appropriate perspective and prepare to learn as you go and pay close attention to what works and what doesn't, you'll be generating money before you know it. Guys, that's all for today's video. Please share your opinions in the comments area if you enjoyed the video, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. See you in the next video.